Getting into a hair care routine is just like embarking on a skincare one. Once you've found what works for you, you will never stray. And with that, I welcome you back to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about two products that will not only help you with your daily hair care routine, but will also help you to tackle and combat your hair concerns and issues which we are facing due to lifestyle stress and pollution. Now for some of us, that morning cup of coffee is an absolute necessity to start our day. What if I told you caffeine has the same effect on your hair? Well, let me introduce you to Morning Lark. Now this offers caffeine solution to your hair. Morning Lark is non-irritating to the scalp and it does not cause flaking, dryness or worsening of dandruff, which is why it is perfect for regular use and can be used by both men and women. Morning Lark keeps hair in the growth phase for longer. It controls hair shedding, thickens hair and also improves hair strength. Spray 6 pumps to the scalp area and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Ideally, it is used in the morning once daily for 6 to 12 weeks. Now the perfect companion to Morning Lark is Night Owl. Now this product is a very useful treatment to combat hair shedding which is caused by lifestyle and stress related factors. Now the key ingredient in Night Owl is melatonin. Now melatonin is rich in antioxidant properties which helps in restoring the growth rhythm of your hair. It has been found to be extremely effective in managing hair shedding which is caused by jet lag or fatigue. Night Owl helps in delaying hair aging and reversing premature graying. It is the cutting edge solution to stress and oxidation induced hair loss. Night Owl is supposed to be used at bedtime 20 minutes before sleep. Just gently spray 6 pumps to the scalp area. Complete the 6 weeks course for best results. So that's it guys. I really hope these two products help you with your daily hair care routine and also help you to restore your hair health. So yeah, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next one.